To the chapter wise revision of chapter number 7, as I taught you chapter number 7 in the previous videos of mine. So let's do the first bit. The first bit tells us 25x plus 1 125 by 5x. So 5 2 x plus 1 is equals to 5 3 by 5x is equals to 5 2x plus 2 is equals to 5 3 minus x is equals to 2x. As the bases are same, as I told you, when the bases will be same, it will come down. So then 2x plus x is equal to 3 minus 2. Therefore 3x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equals to 1 by 3. So what we are going to do, we are just going to make the we are going to make the common factor. So we are going to multiply here 3 because it will become 6y, and here 2 because it will become 6y. So it will come as 9x plus 6y is equals to 15. Then 8x minus 6y is equals to how much? Tell us. Okay, 2. Okay, so this and this will cancel. So y is equals to how much? Obviously 1. So 9 plus 8 is equals to 17x, which is equals to 17. So x is equals to 1. So y is equals to 1 and x is equals to 1. So we have found the value of x and y. So this question tells us 8 by 27 x minus 1, 9 by 4, 2x plus 1 to the power. So we are just going to simplify it to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, x minus 1. We are going to just multiply it, and then here also we are going to simplify and multiply. So what often children make mistakes are, listen, they assume it to be the same base, but it is not. Okay, so it is 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, but when they are writing in a speed, okay, when they are writing speed, so what happens, they by mistakenly, what happens, they assume it to be as the same base. So first what you have to do, it make as the same base. This base is not the same. So just what I have did, 3 by 2 minus 3x plus 3. So now it is the same base. Now we can take it common, but take it as common. But what often children do, they take it as same base because they are in a hurry to do and finish the sum. So minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 2. So therefore minus 7x is equals to minus 1. Therefore x is equals to 1 by 7. 57, that is given here, 1 by 4 plus 0.01 minus to the power minus 1 by 2 into 5 minus 27 to the power 3. So what we have to do here, we are going to take 1 by 2 to the power 2 and 1 by 0.1 1 to the power 2 into 5 minus 3 2 by 3, 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 1 by 0.1 1 by 2 into 5 minus 3 to the power 2. So here it will the square root will open, it will become 1 by 2 plus 0.01 1 to the power 2 1 by 2 into 5 minus 3 to the power 2. So next we are going to just cut it down. 0.1 to the power 2 is equal to 0.01. So we are going to just cancel here the 2 and 2. That will come 1 by 2 plus c 1 by 0.1 into 5. So we are going to just multiply this. So 1 by 2 plus 5 by 0.5. So we are going to make the LCM 2. So by multiplying 0.5 into 20, the LCM will become 2. So it will come as 1 by 2 plus 10 minus 18, which is 83 by 2, that is 41 1 by 2. So the next bit of 57 tells 1 by 4 to the power minus 2 minus 3 brackets 32 2 to the power by 5 into 7 to the power 0 plus 9 by 16 minus 1 by 2. So we are just going to factorize it. So 1 by 2 minus 4, 3 by 2 5 cut, then 1 plus 3 by 4 2 and 2 also cut. So it will come 1 by 2 to the power minus 4 3 2 to the power 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. So 2 to the power 4 because it will go upside and minus will become plus. Then 3 to the power 4 because 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Then this will also go upside and this will become plus 4 by 3. So then we are going to take the LCM. So here it will become 12. Now we are going to take the LCM as 3. So we have taken the LCM 3, that is 48 minus 36 plus 4, that is 12 plus 4, that is 3, which is 16 by 3, which is equals to 5 whole 1 by 3. So the next bit, that is 58 bit, tells us x to the power a is equals to y to the power b, which is equal to z to the power c. So y square is equals to x z. So we have to prove, or we have to show that b is equals to 2ac by a plus c. So what we are going to do, we are going to assume x to the power a is equal to y to the power b is equal to z to the power c as k. So x is equals to k 1 by a, y is equals to k 1 by b, z is equals to k 1 by c. So here k 1 by b square is equals to k 1 by a is equals to k 1 by c. So as the bases are same, so 1 by b square is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. So b square, b is equals to 2ac plus a plus c, hence it is proved now. So the next bit 59 tells us 1 by 216 to power minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 27 minus 4 by 3. So 1 by 6 3 into minus 2 by 3, 3 and 3 cancel, 1 by 3 3 into minus 4 by 3, so 3 and 3 cancel. So 1 by 6 to the power minus 2 divided by 1 by 3 to the power minus 4. So we are going to bring it at plus by bringing these as the numerator, so it will become 6 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 4, that is 36 by 81, that is 4 by 9. So the next sum tells square bracket 5 normal brackets 8 1 by 3 plus 27 1 by 3 brackets close 3 square brackets close 1 by 4. So what we are going to do here, we are going to take 2 to the power 3 and we are going to cancel 3 and 3, then here 3 to the power 3, then we are also going to cancel 3 and 3, so it will come as 5 2 plus 3 whole to the power 3, then square brackets close 1 by 4. So what will happen, 5 5 3 1 by 4. So here the power of 5 is 1, so the power will multiply, as I told you, the same basis, so it will become 5 to the power 4, then it will open, the brackets will open, then 4 and 4 cut, so the answer will come 5. So the next sum, that is 60, tells us 3 1 by 4 minus 4 1 by 3, 3 divided by 3 1 by 4, 4 minus 4 whole 1 by 3, and your square root 4 is given as the power, and here also 4 and here 2 and 2, which is equal to 13a by 12 square. So the question is this, it's a very big question, and often students, what they do, they buy mistakenly as we solve the question. So we get 13 by 4 minus 13 by 3, but some students by mistakenly they take this also as 13 by 4 because they are in a hurry to do this sum. So don't do this silly mistake and lose your marks. So 13 by 4 to the power 4 minus 13 by 3 to the power 4 divided by 13 by 4 to the power 2 minus 13 by 3 to the power 2, which is equal to 13a by 12 square. So next 13 by 4 square, because that will get cancelled, 4 minus 2, so 13 by 3 square is equal to 13a by 12 square. So 169 by 16, 169 by 9, 169 by 144, we are going to open the brackets. So here we are going to take the LCM as 144. So we have taken the LCM and we have also multiplied here. So 1521 plus 2704, so that will come as 4225, which is equals to 169 a square, because the you can see the bases are same, so we are going to take it as common. Therefore we are going to divide 4225 by 169, which will come as 25. So a square is equal to 25, so a is equal to 25 square root, that is 5. Here is 61 number that says square root 27 to the power x divided by 3 y plus 4 is equals to 1, square root 3 to the power x, because 3 to the power 3 is equal to 27, by, as it is divided, so 3 to the power y plus 4 is equals to 1, so 3x by 2, because the square root is opening. So 3y plus 4 is equals to 1, so as the basis, as I told you, as the same, so we are going to take 3x by 2 is equals to y minus y plus 4, so that is 3x minus 2, y is equals to 8. So here 8 4 minus x by 3 is minus 16, y is equals to 0. So 8 4 minus, so here we are going to just multiply it, we are going to just take it we are going to take the LCM. So here I have taken the LCM, and therefore 8 4 minus x equals to 2 4y minus 2 to the power 4y is equals to 0. So here I have also taken as common, and here 12 minus x. So as the bases are common, so 12 minus x minus 4y is equal to 0. So 12 minus x is equal to 4y. X plus 4y is equals to 12. So then 3x minus 2y is equals to 8. So x plus 4y is equals to 12. So we will multiply 3 to make the LCM, take out the LCM, so it will come, we are going to just cancel it, then 14y is equal to 28, y is equals to 2, so we have to find x. So 3x minus 2 into 2 we are going to take is from the first equation, from equation number 1. So the x will come as 4 and y will come as 2. So the next question, that is 62, the last question, tells us if a is equals to minus 1 and b is equals to, so find a to the power b plus b to the power a. It is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power minus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So we are going to take the LCM, that it will come 3 by 2, that is 1 whole 1 by 2. Okay. So the next bit is a to the power b minus b to the power a, that is minus 1 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power minus 1. So we will make it in the positive, so we will bring it downwards, so it will come 1 by 2. The answer is 1 by 2. The third bit is given a to the power b into b to the power a, that is minus 1 to the power 2 into 2 to the power minus 1, that is 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, the answer. The fourth and the last bit tells us a to the power b divided by a to the power b divided by b to the power a. So that is minus 1 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 1 to the power 2. So we will bring 2 upwards in the numerator, so the answer will be 2. So that is for today's video. I hope you all like this video. So I will do stage 2 in the next video, and I will also do stage 3. So like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and if you have any doubt, please comment down. Till that, take care and bye bye.